With COVID, it's made people be more aware of their own health and really trying to get as healthy as possible. And so we are just seeing more and more people want to take care of themselves to the point where we're almost wanting to get another scanner. We are that busy using it. I originally got the iTero scanner when I was doing Invisalign. And then when the FAGD came out, I saw the potential for it being such a communication tool with my patients, as well as the ease of having the entire team be involved with using it. Now it became a tool in our new patient exams, showing them what was actually going on in their own mouth, and having the patient be involved with actually touching the screen as well has been really fun, and allowing them to see the data. Data doesn't lie. And so it's really increased our case acceptance and allowing patients to choose more comprehensive care rather than just Invisalign. When patients see that specifically their teeth are getting broken down and worn down unevenly, they want it. They want options. What can we do about it? Okay, well, we can move the teeth in the better spot, but now we have to restore them back to their original length and everything, and they are choosing that. It's just been a really nice tool for communication.